Hello guys, clear 24/7 security meets smart entry and outdoor sound. Bullet cameras, video doorbells with night vision, rugged Bluetooth speakers and compact hubs/controllers. Number 1. ZUMIMALL 2K Security Camera. The ZUMIMALL 2K wireless outdoor security camera is a battery-powered 3MP Wi-Fi security camera designed for both indoor and outdoor home protection. It features an innovative magnetic mount for quick no-drill installation or optional wall mounting, along with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens and 2K color night vision with a built-in spotlight for clear day and night monitoring. The camera supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, AI motion detection for people, pets, vehicles and packages, two-way audio and instant siren, and Alexa compatibility for smart home integration. Number 2. ZUMIMALL P8 Camera. The ZUMIMALL P8 wireless video doorbell camera is a 100% wire-free 2K 3MP smart doorbell that delivers crisp video, advanced AI human detection, and reliable two-way audio for enhanced home security. Powered by a rechargeable battery and connected via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, it installs in minutes without hardwiring and includes a wireless chime. The doorbell features anti-theft protection, IR night vision, IP66 weather resistance, and supports both local storage, up to 128 GB microSD, sold separately, and optional cloud storage with no required monthly subscription. Number 3. DOS SoundBox Speaker. The DOS SoundBox Plus Bluetooth speaker is a portable wireless speaker that delivers 16W stereo sound through dual full-range drivers and a passive radiator, producing clear highs, balanced mids, and rich bass for music at home or outdoors. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, newer official versions use Bluetooth 5.3. It supports wireless stereo pairing with a second SoundBox Plus speaker for a wider soundstage and increased volume. Number 4. Samsung SmartThings Hub. The Samsung SmartThings Hub, 3rd generation GPU 999 SJVLGDA, is a versatile smart home automation hub that connects and manages compatible smart devices from a single app. Supporting Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and cloud-to-cloud integrations, it works with thousands of devices including lights, locks, sensors, cameras, thermostats, and voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The hub enables custom automations, scenes, and remote monitoring. Number 5. Homey Bridge is a versatile smart home hub. The Homey Bridge is a versatile smart home hub that connects devices across multiple wireless protocols, including Z-Wave Plus, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, BLE, 433 MHz, and infrared, allowing you to control and automate thousands of compatible smart home products from a single app. It integrates with popular ecosystems such as Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Siri shortcuts, enabling voice control and powerful custom automations called flows. Built with a privacy-first approach. Number 6. Lionway 16-in-1 USB-C Docking Station. The LIONWEI 16-in-1 USB-C docking station is a versatile docking solution that transforms a compatible Thunderbolt 3.4 or full-featured USB-C laptop into a powerful multi-monitor workstation. It features 16 ports, including 3 HDMI outputs, 100W USB-C power delivery, charger not included, Gigabit Ethernet, USB 3.1, USB 3.0, and USB 2.0 ports, SD/microSD card readers, and a 3.5mm audio jack for broad connectivity. On supported Windows systems. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.